Could this be one of the best indicators for TradingView? I'm going to show you a little bit about the roadmap for TradingView, and I'm going to give you examples of the signals when they appear and how to use the zones. They are called the roadmap zones by DayTradeToWin. Now, before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. Now, the idea behind the roadmap is to see whether or not price breaks through the zones or if it reverses off the zones, and it actually provides you a signal. So the most recent signal here earlier today at about 10 o'clock was when it broke the zone and there was a yellow bar, a yellow candle, which the roadmap paints to indicate to be ready, because we don't really know if the market's going to break through the zone or if it's going to reverse off of it. So that's a warning candle printed in yellow indicating, hey, it landed in the zone, get ready, we're about to either reverse off of it or go through it. And once it goes through it, once the price breaks through the zone, it provides a signal here. You can see to go short at 56.94 on the E-mini S&P. Now the same thing is actually happening now, where the market landed in the zone and then went sideways. It didn't necessarily go through it and continue. It didn't close on the opposite side of it. It didn't reverse off of it in any significant way. It's actually just going sideways. And for that reason, we have now an opportunity to be a buyer, because if it did not go through the zone and instead that area, that support, is holding, then we have a different idea. We're thinking to ourselves, well, the price didn't continue, there's not a strong trend, it went sideways, and now I can go long as a counter trend. Now you can see there it says zone A up. Let's keep it really simple. If the market goes up and lands in that zone A up and then reverses off of it, that would be a signal to go short. If the market breaks through zone A up and continues to go higher, then we're going to go long. So again, keeping it simple is important. The zones are there to help you. This is one of the best indicators on TradingView that I've seen, where it actually filters out signals and filters out trades, but also provides you with entries into the same direction when there's a strong trend, and counter trend trading when it reverses off the zones, and you can then take a counter trend opportunity. Now in this case, the market's almost there, hitting on the doorstep of zone A. What we're going to see here is most likely either a continuation through it or a slight pause or pullback. And now if you're considering buying the market, I would say wait until it goes through the zone. If you're thinking about selling it, at least let it land inside of the zone. It went right to the edge of it, but I like to see it land inside of the zone first as proof that it's getting into that resistance area. Now it's coming off of it now, but I'd like to see it go inside of the zone. I like to see that yellow bar, which is almost like a setup bar, a setup candle as I like to call it, where it's setting up the trade, and then I can make a clear decision. Okay, there's the yellow bar. The yellow bar indicates that it landed in the zone. Very important now as a trader. Will we sell it or will we buy it? I say we have to wait until it goes. There it is. It broke through. There's the long signal, 57.01 quarter. I'm long 57.0150, 57.01 quarter. I'm long as it goes higher to the next zone. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. You're going to see these lines. The lines are profit targets and stops. That is a profit target and that is a stop on this long trade. Now the roadmap is available for both NinjaTrader and TradingView. So it really depends on what platform you'd like to use. In conjunction, a lot of traders that are funded traders are using the roadmap to help filter out trades and also to understand a little bit on how price action works. Now, in the examples that you've seen, the market is breaking through the zones, but it's not always the case. Sometimes the market lands in the zone and stops or holds and reverses. So having a filter like the roadmap to help me understand whether or not it goes through the zone provides me a signal, or if I should in fact wait before jumping into a trade is important. So one of the best trading view indicators available, the roadmap, it's available at DayTradeToWin.com. Remember that we're going to wait until it either breaks through and goes higher, or it provides us a signal to sell it as a reversal. If you're interested in getting a free member account, visit DayTradeToWin.com, sign up. We have some free software for TradingView or NinjaTrader, the ABC, the news indicator, some freebies there to start you on your trading journey. Until next time, good trading. For traders who want to learn more, join us live every day. We have a live trading room, especially for our members using TradingView and NinjaTrader. We cover the roadmap, we cover price action, the Trade Scalper, the Atlas line. It's all included. Check out the links below, watch the next video, and visit DayTradeToWin.com to learn more.